How to use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone, 2024 Easy Guide. First, tap to open the WhatsApp app from your phone. Here you can see I already have an active account. Now to add another one, all that we have to do is tap on these three dot lines at the top upper right corner. Tap on Settings. Now under the profile picture, tap on this option. OK. Down here tap on Add Account. Tap on Agree and Continue option. Here enter the phone number that you would like to add to your WhatsApp app, and then follow the on-screen guide to complete the process. So that's how we can use or add two WhatsApp accounts in one phone 2024 Easy Guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future guides. See you next time.